It's time for another Monday networking tip. And today we're going to talk about LinkedIn. Now, I've been using LinkedIn since it was brand new. However, LinkedIn spent a lot of time just being a place where you posted your resume. But in the last couple of years, the LinkedIn platform has become one of the most important ways to network in business. But you have to use it correctly. If you're using LinkedIn to spam people in their direct messages, sending emails saying, you don't know me, but buy my stuff. You don't know me, but buy my stuff. You're wasting your time and you're not going to get anywhere. Nobody goes to LinkedIn saying, wow, I hope a stranger totally tries to sell crap to me. No, it's a place to help foster relationships. Now, I try very hard not to connect to people where I don't have a purpose. I like to connect to people on LinkedIn who I've had a cup of coffee, a meal, or a beer with. I call it the coffee, meal, or beer rule. But that doesn't mean I don't link to some people who I've never met in person or had some sort of an online call with. Because if somebody works in your industry and you can see synergies, why you should get to know each other, then maybe having a connection is all right. But these people who say, I'm open to link to anybody who breathes air, I don't think LinkedIn pays off for them. And the best way to use LinkedIn, sure, it's a great place to have your contacts. Yes, making posts and putting it out there is great. But the best way you can maximize LinkedIn is by leaving comments on other people's posts, people who you would like to get to know better, people who you know a little bit, or maybe some people who are superstars in your industry. You know, if someone leaves a post on something I did on LinkedIn that basically says, wow, Tom, that was really smart. Let me add to this conversation. I'm going to know they exist. They're going to get on my radar. I think that commenting on other people's posts is the smartest thing that you can do. And yet when I talk to people and I say, when's the last time you left a comment on someone's LinkedIn post? Most people look at me saying, no, I use LinkedIn to spam everybody. Okay, that's not what they say, but we all know that's what a lot of people do. Are you adding to the conversation? I learned the value of how to use LinkedIn and get more engagement, both on my posts and more people to visit my profile from my friend, Richard Bliss. Go check him out. He's a consultant who works with international companies who spend a lot of money on their sales teams, helping them maximizing using LinkedIn to drive business. And one of the key things he teaches is leave more comments. So every day I try to comment on at least 2, if not more posts, praising someone for their brilliance and adding to the conversation. So that's my challenge for you today. If you don't know whose posts to comment on, go find one of mine, leave a post, or find one of your clients who left a post and leave a comment on that. Come on, people. LinkedIn should be a place for conversation, not a place for spam, 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 look at me, spam. So that's my 2 cents for today, is learn to use the LinkedIn platform as a way to enhance and grow your network, not as a way just to collect likes, links, shares, and follows. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and tell all your friends.